Paano nag-start yung relationship niyo yung ligawan?
Actually, we have no common friends at all. So, nagkita lang kami sa in one place, tapos we're actually maahabang kwento, but to make a long story short, parang sa elevator yon. It was on the other side, I was on the other side. Tapos wala na, parang we went our separate ways na, wala nang kasi pagbaba ko, wala na siya. Tapos the next day, bigla na lang I received a call from my friend. Yun nga, I don't know how he got to contact my friend. Yun pala parang nakita niya ata sa Instagram ng friend niya na, well, yun yung girl na nakita ko last night. So, doon na nag-start. Nakakatawa kasi wala talaga kami common friends. Sobrang layo ng connection.
The last time na mag-usap kami ni Derek, ang sabi niya, bumili siya ng bahay sa Alabang.
Yes.
Tapos yung bahay niya din sa Sagig, ay ibibenta niya o parerenta niya.
Yeah.
Tinanong ko siya kung bakit. Gusto niya raw kasi ititira na doon sa bahay na yun. Yung future housewife niya. At pinakita nga niya yung picture mo sa akin na ikaw ay nasa doon sa Philippine Airlines. So, anong reaction mo lang? Hindi ko lang masabi kanina. Anong reaction mo na ikaw na raw yung...
We'll see. Actually, we're taking things slow nga. Tingnan natin kung mag-workout talaga. Wala pa naman dyan yung house and wala pa naman, it's not yet there. So, ayoko pa magsalita. Tapos, so, hopefully, maging, okay yung things sa aming dalawa.
May baby ka na rin, di ba?
Yes, I have a daughter. One.
Tapos may anak din siyang lalaki, di ba?
Yes.
So, anong feeling na pareho kayo may anak?
Ako, it's not a problem with me naman eh. Parang, because I have one of my own, so walang problema sa akin na may son na rin siya. It's not a problem.
Ano yung mga bagay na natuklasan mo kay Derek?
Baby siya. Sobrang baby
totoo.
niya. Oo, ganun. Kailangan alagaan, ganun.
Ilang months na kayo ngayon?
Ano ba? I met him late last year, but yung kung kailan talaga mas naging deep ang relationship namin, yung pagkakakilala namin, siguro more or less mga 4 to 5 months. Yeah.
Very private person si Derek. Ayaw niya kasing na yung mga girlfriend niya. Anda ka ba roon na itago ka niya, nasa bahay ka lang, kung sakasakaling maging kayo?
Actually, mas okay naman talaga yung private kasi pag once na expose masyado yung relationship nyo, doon pumapasok lahat ng mga negative stuff, ang daming chismis, ang daming ganito, so baka makasira lang siya sa ating dalawa. So I don't really mind kung private yung love life natin.
Paano ka napapayag na lumabas?
What do you mean?
Dito, sa extreme.
Actually, casual lang naman tinanong sa akin. So, sabi ni Miss AC, parang, so, i-guest kita ha. Sabi ko, okay lang, sige, tanongin mo si D. Eh, tinanong naman si D, parang okay lang din naman daw sa kanya. So, parang, okay, casual lang, nothing big.
Hindi ba mahirap yung magkaroon ng boyfriend na tulad ni D na habulin, maraming babae, lahat na lang ng bakla, lahat hinahabol siya?
Mahirap din, kasi minsan may pagkaselosa din ako. But, I think, kailangan ko tanggapin. Ganun talaga. I mean, first things first, artista siya. Alam ko naman, nung pinasok ko to na, ganun talaga yung mangyayari. So, I just have to get used to it.
Since nandito ka na rin naman, nakilala ka na ng showbiz, willing ka bang pumasok sa movie industry?
No.
Sa showbiz?
No. Hanggang commercials lang ako, but showbiz, ayaw.
Sandra? Ano yung mga commercials na ginawa? Marami na.
I started mga 10 years na siguro. Pero pasulpot-sulpot. Magsisipag ako, tapos mawawala ako, tapos magsisipag.
Patapos mo namang sasabihin hindi ka papasok ng showbiz?
Ha?
Patapos mo namang sasabihin na...
I think.
Bakit? At ayaw mo pumasok sa showbiz?
Hindi ko lang siya thing. Parang tsaka masyadong... Parang hindi ko ata kaya. Mas gusto ko ng tahimik lang ng buhay.
Alam mo bang family man si Derek na mahal niya yung mga pamilya niya?
Yes, obviously naman. He's very close with his parents and with his siblings, yung mga pamangkin niya. Sobrang close niya lahat sila. Makikita mo naman.
At ano na yung mga niluto mo kay Derek? Dahil si Derek, alam naman natin na patay na patay siya sa isang babaeng magaling magluto. Ano na niluto mo sa kanya?
Actually, nakakatawa kasi I really don't cook.
Oh!
Recently lang.
Oh.
Few things pa lang, mga basic, of course. Tapos, yung mga favorite niya, yung Vietnamese rolls na ginawa, pinabaan ko sa kanya one time. And then, mga pasta, grilled salmon, mga madali pa. Yung mga kaya pang, gawin. Yung hindi pa masyadong complicated. Simple stuff.
Derek, parang special tong pilot episode mo because for the first time, pumayag ka that, of course, your better half na ba? is gonna do a challenge. How do you feel? Paano mo siya napapayag? Ayun na tanong.
No, actually, si Miss AZ yung nagtanong sa akin if okay lang mag-guest, no?
Okay.
Sabi ko naman, I'm not scared naman of heights or anything. So, okay lang. Kaya ko naman.
Na-booking na ni Bianca sa Showbiz Connect na, uy, sumasama ka raw naman kasi talaga sa set. So, you pretty much know everyone.
Thanks, Bianx.
Okay lang, yeah. Some of them.
So, you're comfortable naman to do the challenge?
Yeah.
Walang
I'm
takot
not
siya.
afraid of heights
Walang
naman, so
takot
I'm
siya.
sure kaya.
Oo. Adventures yan at walang takot. I think next week akit na sila ng Mount Pulag. Next week ba yun?
No, mid-May.
Umakit na kayo before, di ba?
Yeah.
Umakit.
I'm gonna do it again with my friends and my brother. Ganun.
Hindi ako sasama.
Hindi ka,
Ayaw niya.
bakit?
Taping.
Oo, trabaho. And that's one thing that you admire sa mga babae. Sporty,
I like
athletic.
I like women who are adventurous, spontaneous, and loves the outdoors, and always willing to try something new. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, hindi ako sasama sa Pulag kasi nakakapagod tumakit dun eh.
Di alam
Hindi,
ko.
walang banyo kasi.
Correct!
Yeah,
And-
hindi ko kaya walang banyo.
And di alam ko before sinabi mo na, yun na nga, I know you've been dating since late last year, tama ba? Or,
Yeah.
Yeah, so I know that medyo private ka. Yun nga, what made you say yes din for na gawin niyo tong pilot together?
Actually, it was the show's idea. They asked her and they asked me if it's okay with me. Sabi ko, kung gusto niyang gawin, of course. And she likes this kind of thing. So, when can she get to experience to go up, high up there in a crane and do something extreme? And she wants to do it. So I'm like, okay, go for it.
Oh, and actually, unti-unti rin sa social media, you guys are so open. Dati, tama ba naka-private yung account mo ngayon?
Naka-private parents
Ay,
actually.
Ay, naka-private pa ba?
Yeah.
Sorry naman. Pero, di ikaw, di ba? Yung mga pabaon sa'yo ni Joanne,
Sinabi ko
pinapost mo
naman
na.
sa inyo, diba? I want to keep it private and in time it will come out. And so eto na, we're there na. It's hindi naman namin tinatago. It's just
No.
I wanted to be more, private this time. And but with that said, I can't also hide what I feel and what we have.
How do you know that cheesy that Joanne's like the one? Because you ang ganda nung mga pictures niyo, activities.
Ikaw naman sumagot niya.
Ikaw na. No, ikaw na. Wala ako.
Ikaw na
Hindi ako sanay sa ganyan. Ikaw sanay ka na sa ganyan.
Sabi mo na timing eh.
No, nothing. Ikaw na.
Dahil sa haircut niya. Aray. Mahilig ako sa short hair.
Tawa.
I don't know. We just click. We get along and we like to do the same things. So parang no effort kapag nagsasama kami. And ano ba? She has a nice smile.
Oh.
Yeah, and the smile is important. Kasi kahit gaano ka ka-stressed, pag tumawa at nag-smile, ang sarap ng feeling. So,
Nakaiyak naman, no? Yes! Ikaw, kilig na kilig ka.
Panoorin nyo,
Speechless,
panoorin.
diba?
May papost akong Instagram. Tapos pakinggan nyo na lang yung tawa sa background. Alam nyo na kung sino yun. Hindi ko pa pinapost yun.
Yung sa dad mo, diba?
Sa daddy ko.
Tawa ko yun.
Pero yung kay Gerald.
Ito pa isa pa yung parang latest issue, bumalik ka doon ng mansion sa Alabang. So,
Mansion.
are you guys gonna...
The mansion, I just moving into a new house. I'm selling the old house and moving into a new house. So, hindi naman siya mansion, no?
Are you inviting someone to move in with you? Like, yung katabi mo?
My dogs. My dogs. All my dogs are coming with me. No, we're taking it slowly. We're taking it one step at a time. I just parang feel that it's time for a change. I'm starting a new contract again with TV5. So parang I want to, parang restart. I have a lot of experiences, good and bad, in my old home. So now it's time to make new experiences, good or bad, in this new one. But just I want a fresh start.
And Joanne, how did you prepare yourself for this? For Derek? for his career. Ito, for this interview.
Nag-ano siya,
Nag-blow dry.
No, actually, hindi ko nga in-expect na hindi ko alam. I don't know. I didn't expect any of this. So, hindi ako sanay. I don't know what to do. Or to say, or to act, how to act. Hindi ko alam. I'm not used to it.
I know that you guys traveled together to the Middle East. Did you get to meet
Yeah, kasi
Austin?
it was his,
Yeah.
my competition.
Yeah, for
Unfortunately, no, we didn't get to see Austin. He was very busy with school, so he wasn't able to come and watch me play. That's the sad thing. But I'm sure he'll get to see me in my future tournaments if I don't retire soon. Pero sayang nga kasi that was the World Cup and he didn't get to see me.
Chinichika mo ba kay Austin na, of course, there's Joanne or...
Take it slow. Ayoko mabigla yung bata. But Joe's got the opportunity to meet him already. And we went out with Austin a few times. So
Nilutuan mo rin. Galing ka daw magluto
Ano lang yun?
fairness, hidden
Ano,
talent. Sobrang hidden.
yeah, I never used to do it before. No?
Yeah.
Kailan lang ako nagluluto.
But we enjoy and Joe has a beautiful baby girl, Sophie, who I get along with. We're always teasing each other and messing around and playing with her Barbie. You have to see her. She's so cute. She's so talented. Ang galing sumayaw. Ang hilig sumayaw. And it takes a little time to get her warmed up, but once she gets warmed up to you, she's so much fun to hang out with.
And last question, ano yung meron sa relationship na to na yung para what are the measures that you're doing to protect this? Kasi di ba syempre dati may mga issue, it seems to be going great.
Yeah, well, like, I just want to be a little bit more private, like I said. I think that's the best way to protect the relationship and yes ka lang, yes.
Hindi ako sanay. Hindi ko in-expect. Anyway,
with that said, also I'm not naman hiding this. Yeah, it's out there, but I really have to give this more priority than what I did in the past because I'm getting up there in the years and I really want to get to that next chapter in my life, like I told you before. So, yeah, hopefully. Guys, panoorin nyo. Actually, it's episode 2 of season 2. Thank you very much for supporting season 1. And syempre, dahil sa inyo, nagkaroon kami ng season 2. Ang pilot episode is for our superhero boxing champion, Manny Pacquiao.